Is your phone storage always full? Maybe you are running out of space? Don't worry, we have the perfect fix. By changing just two simple settings, you can keep your phone storage clear and running smoothly. Ready to make your phone feel brand new? Let's get started. Open the Play Store. After that, you click on the profile and then you click on Manage Apps and Device. After that, you click on Manage. After that, you click on this device and then you select Install inside Not Install. After that, you see all apps you've deleted and they are not deleted. You select all of them and delete them. After that, you go back to the profile and then you click on Settings and then you click on Network and Preference and then you click on Auto Updates and then you select Do Not Auto Update Apps. After doing this, your phone storage is clear, free and running. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to those who are in need of this video. Thank you for watching and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.